Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use the animation feature on Canva for your social media post. So let's assume you want to design a document to post, a picture rather, to post on Instagram. So all you have to do is to select an Instagram photo or picture you would love to edit. You can upload a new one or create a new one, or you can choose from the template that will be provided for you, and then we can edit it from there. So for this video I'm going to be choosing from a template. Okay, it's previously searched for gym. So let's say let me work with this. Let's say I want to add the animation feature to this. I can click on this. No. Oh, okay, good. So I can click on any parts and click on this animate. So I can choose I can choose different type of animation for the for what I'm depending on what I'm going for. So let's say I can choose party, I can choose corporate. I think I like corporate is mature. Okay, enter. Good. So I can choose the direction here. So this one admits all pages in this particular. So let's say I want to create multiple pictures. I can click on add page and add more pictures, and then animate each one to have a different feel and different type of animation. So once I'm done, know that this is a 5-second animation. It automatically converts your pictures to videos, so you'll be downloading videos instead. So let's say I am done with animating it. I can just click on play here to see how it appears, and then once I'm satisfied, I can click on share and download it to my system and then upload it. So this is how to use the animation feature on Canva for your social media post. Thank you very much and do have a great day. Please, if you've enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a comment below and subscribing to the channel. God bless.